Welcome everybody. What a beautiful, beautiful place. Wow. Look what we have here. Just take a look. Oh yes. Guess what? Lava stone. You could be rich. You could be rich. You can mount these. You can use these and sell them. No, I actually don't do that anymore. I buy from locals, so I keep the money in Bali when I buy my lava stones. So, where are we then? We're in the north. I've tried to make videos live and it just isn't happening. So, yeah, there you go. Let's sit down for a minute because obviously the sun's going down over there, and there's the fishermen are all going out now doing the fishing. There you go. It looks lighter on here than it actually does. It's fairly quite dark. All natural clouds, of course. No pumping of clouds from machines, or no pumping of clouds from aeroplanes. Lovely, eh? What do you think? You like? We should go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. This is where I'm staying here. It's called Point Siana. Really, really pretty. It's like $50 a night. So, and it's really beautiful, really beautiful. This is if you obviously want peace and stillness. If you want Bali where it's all crazy and hectic and all the spiritual communities and all the surfers, then you go to Canggu, you go to Ubud. But you want real Bali, you want the, 15 minutes on here, you get to the waterfall, which I did a video of me walking up to the waterfall. I'll post that shortly as well, if not before this video. So basically, there's mountains running all the way up here, all up at the back. It's gorgeous, really, really beautiful. And the energy frequency is so healing, so healing. But yeah, obviously, because we are very close to the volcano, then yeah, you're going to get your lava stone. So that's the beach. It isn't sand. It's mainly pebble, lava, different stones. So there you go. That, whoa, did you see that? Straight up, Matty, straight for me. There you go. Alright guys, I'm wishing you a lovely evening. I'm going to have a nice long walk and then bit of meditation and then sleep time. Take care. Bye for now.